We're here for you if things go wrong. If your item has developed a fault, your first step should always be to contact your local store, who will guide you through your options. If your purchase is under 30 days old, you should simply contact the store or department you purchased from and we will arrange a pickup for you. We will ask that all your items are returned in the original packaging with the original accessories, and then we will either offer you an exchange or a full refund. Alternatively, whenever restrictions allow, you can drop your under 30 days old purchase off at your local store. Talk to one of our colleagues for more information on this option. Did you purchase your items online? No problem. You can still contact your local store or our telesales or customer service teams, who are always here and ready to help. If your purchase is over 30 days old, but still in the manufacturer's or extended guarantee period, you can fill in our online booking repair form by clicking the link. Some manufacturers prefer to carry out their own repairs within their guarantee period. Please contact the respective manufacturer who will arrange a free repair for you. To find out more on this option and for the manufacturer contact details and guarantee links, please click on My Item Has Developed a Fault. If you want an update on an existing repair, please click the following link and fill in your details, and one of our team will get you an update within 24 hours or as soon as possible. If you're experiencing issues with a TV 39 inches or larger, please click on the My Item Has Developed a Fault section for information on how to proceed. Our team of in-house experts can also carry out of guarantee repairs on a chargeable basis. However, with older products, this is subject to parts availability. To find out more information, please read the out of guarantee repairs section.